Influence of the coupling between the mechanical characteristics and the welding conditions by the FSSW process. Case of the B material aluminum steel. Introduction. We talk here about the problematic, and the schematic illustrates the FSSW process. Experimental methods. Materials and composition and the welding machine. In the figure, the clamping conditions. Joint configuration, geometry, and the welding parameters in the table. Result and discussion. Temperature profile. We see in the figure thermocouples placement. The graphs are about analysis of thermal profile. Tensile strength test, and the graph are about the typical load curve displacement. The figure is about analysis of the tensile curves load displacement. Microhardness. The figure 9 is about the method of microhardness measurements. The graphs here shows microhardness profiles of cross sections, and the graphic exploitation of the results we can see in the figure cartography of microhardness profile. Macrostructural characterization, and in the figure optical micrographs, and we arrived to the conclusions, and I thank you for your attention.